How you doing today? I'm Michael Summers with Summers Flooring, and I wanted to talk specifically to designers today. So we have been doing flooring for 67 years and partnering with designers the entire time. So part of what we do is take the vision that you have for your customer and we narrow it down and bring in the exact right product for your customer. Or even if you need it narrowed down to one or two final choices. That's what we help you do. So we ask the right questions, we try to find the specific product, the look, the feel, the style, and also the value is really killer too. We have an incredible selection of products. We've also narrowed them down. I know it doesn't look like it because there's a lot of them, but that's part of what we do is we take all these amazing products, good price points, and narrow them down quickly to help you find the perfect floor for your customer. So we want to partner with you. We want our showroom to be your showroom. We want to be the experts that are on your team, helping you make the right decisions, helping your customer find the perfect product. So help us partner with you. SummersWoodFloors.com. Please reach out to us. Let us know. Let's make the connection.